You guys ready to learn something? You ready to learn about what makes the ultimate pizza burger? So I'm on Travis McPee's live stream. There's always shenanigans going on. There's this one commenter who asks the most ridiculous question. He types in his little chat, would you rather eat a pizza or a burger?
That's a tough one. That's a really tough one, man. Jeez.
Like, how could you ask someone something like that? Like, nobody should have to choose. We need to combine these two superfoods together and make the ultimate pizza burger.
Pizza burgers are good. J-Mac, video idea, son.
I don't normally like to give out secrets like this, but let's do it for Travis and friends. Let's get this thing started. The ultimate pizza burger starts off with the ultimate pizza sauce. Now the secret to the best pizza sauce, San Marzano Tomatoes. It's gotta say D-O-P. This is the champagne of tomatoes. You can't really see them, but These guys are grown in a specific part of Italy where the soil contains volcanic ash, which yields a sweeter, less acidic tomato. They make a difference. They really do. Oh yeah, and we're blending these. I don't want any tomato chunks. All right, done. Follow me over to the stove. I need you over here. Come on. Sauce pot, low heat. Tablespoon of olive oil. Mince in 3 cloves of garlic. Just let that cook for a minute. Half a teaspoon of red crushed pepper. Let it cook for another 30 seconds. And now, the tomato puree. Woo! Now for some flavors. Teaspoon of basil, teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, and almost forgot, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Stir that up, and realize that you did forget the teaspoon of sugar. This isn't starting off well. Heat on medium, we're gonna cover that up and let it cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. And boom! We got ourselves some pizza sauce. Now before we call that the ultimate pizza sauce, grab some fresh oregano. Take a couple sprigs out of there, smell it. Doesn't really smell like anything. Slap it, release those oils. Pick some of these leaves off, chop these up. Goes right into the sauce. Add in a teaspoon of salt, stir that up. Let's give it a taste. Pinch more salt. Throw on a lid. Let that oregano steep in there. Build those flavors. Throw that off to the side while we make the rest of our burger. Burger patty time. We got a pound of 85-15 ground beef. Watch this. What we have here is a spicy Italian sausage. We're squeezing that right into the beef. This is about a 1/4 pound. And just get your hands in there. Boom. Once it's all incorporated, we're gonna grab little chunks of this and roll it up into a ball, like this. This should yield about 6 patties. Over to the stovetop, cast iron pan. Heat medium-high. Throw a little butter down in there. And we're gonna throw 2 patties. Let's take our spatula, smash these guys down. You go to smash down a patty, don't use a slotted spatula. That's ridiculous, okay? Don't do what I'm doing, all right? Learn from my mistakes. Salt, pepper, flip these guys over. 1 minute on this side. All right, transfer these to a pan. And we just grate some mozzarella cheese. And look at this, we do it long ways. Look at these long strands you get. It's gonna be so melty. Look at this, I got a link of pepperoni. I'm gonna cut a few thicker slices. We're gonna leave those in the casing so they create a nice little bowl and crisp up in the oven. All right, let's sauce these guys up. Our mozzarella cheese. Yeah. A few pepperonis on each. And we're gonna stick these guys in the broiler until those pepperonis crisp up. And look what we've got here. And we're not even done yet. Let me ask you this. What's the best part of the pizza? Is it the sauce, the crust, the cheese, the toppings? No, none of those things. The best part of pizza is the cheese that runs over the crust. It kind of burns, kind of bubbles up, gives you this really nice like flavor bomb right at the end of the pizza. So I guess it is the cheese. Anyway, we need to incorporate that in our ultimate pizza burger. All right, check this out. We got this beautiful brioche bun. Non-stick pan on medium heat, a little bit of butter. Brioche buns outside down. Take a spatula, press them into the pan. We want to smash these simulating pizza crust. Now take some Parmesan cheese and sprinkle it on the top. Flip these guys over. We want to cook for 1 more minute until that cheese is crispy. Take that off. Flip it over. Look at that. It's time to build this thing. Throw our patty down on there. Ooh. Woo! And our Parmesan crispy bun. Ooh. And we've got the ultimate pizza burger. Let me break down this experience for you. It's almost impossible to talk when you're eating the ultimate pizza burger. First you go in, you take your first bite. Right off the bat, you're going through the crust, the crispy Parmesan, and then you hit the pepperoni cheese sauce burger trifecta. It's an overwhelming sensation. Your body goes numb.
Oh my God.
Your brain's trying to process, is this a burger? Is it pizza? It has no idea that these two things can coexist symbiotically. At this point, you go in for your second bite. You think you're prepared, but then there's a thicker layer of sauce covered in molten cheese that explodes in your mouth. The literal definition of a flavor bomb has just occurred.
No little crispies.
At this point, it's over. You're hooked. There's no way you can put that burger down without finishing it. You've dropped a little sauce on your plate. Guess what? You take that burger, you dip it, you pick up all that sauce. Regular pizza? Ooh. And that's it. The ultimate pizza burger. Listen, go check out my dude Travis, link in the comments below. My favorite tech YouTuber of all time. Just an all around, just super nice, genuine guy. Like, comment, subscribe, but only if you liked it. And thank you for watching.